it's a beautiful day for a walk. Nali?
Huh? Oh, what's up, Julia?
Is it alright if I join you?
Yeah, sure. I see you're out enjoying the nice weather as well.
Yeah, but I must say I'm surprised to see you down here.
Are you kidding? I love nature. This is my favorite spot to hang out now.
Since when?
Since forever, silly. I just love it out here.
Really?
Of course. Just look. It's beautiful.
It is.
Ew, gross.
What?
There's a fly in my hair. Get it out.
Maybe it's attracted to one of your shampoos.
No, it is not. Oh, make it go away.
Just try ignoring it.
Ew, no, this thing is disgusting. I'm gonna go inside and watch some TV. Nature is so gross.
Okay, bye. I guess some things never change.